There, no.
There.
Good for you. Interview questions.
Speed.
Set.
The roles I'm normally called in for are urban youth. Really any person of color, usually under 25, often under 20. I've been called in for really every Asian race. Very recently I was called in for a Chinese immigrant and had to attempt an accent, which I was sort of uncomfortable with. Because it's not anything I've ever done before, and it doesn't come naturally, and it's not an accent that is a part of my experience.
And what role do you want to be called in for?
I would love to be called in for Othello. Any leads, or romantic leads. My dream role would be Romeo from Romeo and Juliet.
What's the most diverse play you've seen recently in Chicago?
The most diverse show I've seen in Chicago is a production of The Three Musketeers at Lifeline Theater. There were races all across the board in every role, which was really refreshing. The Chicago Inclusion Project. Are you in? I'm Bryan Bosque, and I'm in.
Beautiful.
Yay. Of course, yeah, thank you.